Sometimes I'm like a little kid myself, and there's things I just have to try out and buy. This is the Two Scouts Night Sender key from Rex at qrpme.com. That's him at the left on the cover, and his dad in 1965. So I'm going to open this up now and show you what's inside. Obviously 9-volt battery, piezo buzzer, resistor, and LED. And of course also a Morse code information sticker. So it was easy to make and a lot of fun, and something that he made for Scout Jamboree, I believe, up in Maine, where he had about 80 scouts build this kit. And like I said, I'm just a little kid sometimes, so I had to have one and build it myself. It's pretty cool. All you do is tap this, and the LED is pretty bright, and the kids can have a lot of fun sending to each other and learning the code. Thanks, Rex, W1REX. This is KE2YK.